Hey guys, we are on the square in Lawrenceville at the new office, and today we're going to do a video talking about how to fix rising damp. And what rising damp is when moisture wicks up from the soil into your brick wall and then tries to come out the brick wall. And the evidence we can see that we've got rising damp is how this brick is eroding. It's literally turning to dust. So what happens, especially when it rains, is that the water wicks up from the soil underneath, gets into this brick, the brick gets saturated, and then the water tries to come out from the wall. And that pops the face of these bricks off. And it's kind of exacerbated by the fact that these bricks in Lawrenceville are very soft. We have tried to harden the bricks. I've actually got 6 layers of a hardener on these bricks, and it's just not working. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna try a kit today that will create a damp-proof layer, hopefully, in this brick wall. Now, this brick wall is 3 bricks thick, so there's not any type of internal stud wall or concrete block or concrete or anything like that. The wall is literally 3 bricks thick, and you can see some old bricks right here. So it's 3 courses of brick thick. And what we're gonna do is we've got our kit over here. And this kit, these are called dry rods. And so you can see our kit. And it's used for treating rising damp. And you've got a clean out tool right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this drill and we are gonna drill holes in the wall every 4 inches along this first mortar course. So we'll have holes all through here in this first mortar course, and hopefully over time what that's going to do is create a sealed barrier to stop moisture from coming up in the wall. I still think I'm going to replace some of these heavily eroded bricks through here. At one time I thought about leaving those, but some of these have just gotten too bad that I think we're going to pull them out and replace them. You can even see here the bricks still look wet, and it hasn't really rained in a week. We're about to get a lot of rain this coming week, so I wanted to go ahead and get these rods in here and see if it wouldn't start holding the water back. But all right, yeah, let's drill some holes. Okay, just got the holes drilled. There's 50 or 60 holes down through there. You can see the mortar in the tray, and it's pretty amazing how soft this mortar is. The bit just went right into it. It's a little bit unnerving to think that this brick wall right here is holding up all of the structure, and it's so soft. I did notice as I was drilling, you can see right here, maybe with the camera, there's a little bit of kind of shininess on the brick. Can you see that? Those are actually water droplets. So this wall, even though it's been a week or so since it's rained, it's still got a lot of moisture in it. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take a vacuum, I'm gonna vacuum up all of this dust, and I'm gonna take this tool, you just simply put it in the hole, and you just kind of pull out the excess mortar. You wanna get the holes kind of as clean as you can. So I'm gonna clean all that up, and then we'll stuff the dry rods into the holes. Can you see it here? You can almost see it a little bit better, some of the shininess, some of the water beads that are on the wall. All the holes are cleaned up now, so they are ready for the dry rods. You can see them if you get a little lower right here. So we're gonna insert these dry rods into each of those holes, and then it sounds like it takes a few months, but that product will leach out into the mortar course and hopefully stop the moisture from coming up in the wall. Just got done inserting the dry rods. You can see here, I'm gonna have to go back and re-drill some of these holes to get the rods to go in deeper. But that right there is what the rod looks like. It's just kind of this plastic gooey thing that you insert in there. So I'm gonna go back and re-drill those holes. You can't really see the rods now. This one right here is poking through a little bit. We will watch that one and see how it dissolves. Like I said, it's supposed to rain this week, and hopefully this stuff, what it does is it bleeds out into the adjacent mortar and forms. Yeah, there you go. You can hear the thunder. and then forms this damp-proof layer through there and should stop this brick from eroding. I cleaned the tray up, so we will see if the brick continues to dust. Like I said, this right here is really dark, so I will be interested to see if it dries out. If that brick right there dries out, we may go through and replace some of these bricks. This tray down here is going to be filled with gravel, and I just really don't want to have brick dust in it all the time. So yeah, we'll see how that does. I hope you guys enjoyed watching restoring some old brick. I would appreciate it if you'd hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, if you go ahead and subscribe already. Again, we're trying to grow the channel, and that just really supports us and gets the word out a little bit more. But we will see you next time. Take care.